Pranam to all, how are you? I hope you are all fine. This is the rose plant. The winter is the best time for rose plants. Today I will be telling you how to get more flowers and big ones. In our garden we had 3 old rose plants, but they died in the hot summer time. Then you might be wondering how we got these plants. We actually planted them last year, but we will talk about these plants only. As you can see, the rose plant's condition is really bad, but we took proper care and it became healthier. Look at this one. Last month we uploaded a video about this rose plant only, where we did its treatment by pruning, cutting and doing the best soil preparation. The rose plant might seem a very ordinary plant, but actually it has very interesting facts. Roses are older than humans. They are very old. Scientists found rose fossils that are over 35 million years old. I think it's almost about the Himalayan times, when the Himalayas were growing. We might have seen only 2 or 3 varieties of rose, but there are actually 30,000 more varieties of roses. And roses come in almost every color, even black looking roses in Turkey. Roses can live for centuries. There's a rose plant in Germany that is over 1000 years old and still blooming. Strange, right? Rose fragrance changes by time of the day. Roses smell strongest in the early morning. Does every flower produces fruit? I'm talking about hibiscus and tuberose or any other flowers. Now finally we will tell you about the main care. Roses love sunlight, so sunlight is the most important. Keep the rose plant where it gets 5 to 6 hours of direct sunlight daily. Winter sun is gentle, so more sun, more flowers. Watering very less. In winter, roses need less water. Water only when the topsoil feels dry, 1 to 2 inches deep. Morning watering is the best, so try to get to your garden quickly in the morning. Fourth, pruning, and it is very important. Major pruning is done in late October and November. Remove dry branches, weak shoots, crossing branches, old flower heads. This helps new buds form in winter. We are all tired of these pests killing our plants, so that's why I'm telling it right now. Winter pests are aphids and mealybugs. Use once every 10 to 12 days. Neem oil spray 5 ml in 1 liter of water, or soap water spray 1 teaspoon of liquid soap in 1 liter of water. And always cut out dried flowers to encourage more blooming. If you want more flowers, then you have to also check the pot size. Not much, but roses perform best in 12 to 16 inch pots. Time for the fertilizer. Give potassium fertilizer, bone meal, rose fertilizer mix for blooming. Instead of these, my mom uses liquid kitchen waste compost or rice water. Sometimes even banana peel fertilizer. You can also give fresh fish blood. Hope our flowers get better this time. Roses are the whispers of nature, telling us that beauty takes time. That's all for today. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.